Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the Ask Copilot right-click feature in Windows 10. So let's say you have a file here, you right-click on it, then you have this option here to Ask Copilot, which will open Copilot so you could then analyze this file. But if you're not a fan of Copilot for anything, you could actually disable this in Windows. All right, so to do so, we have a couple registry files, one to remove it and then one to add it back if needed. So here's what they do. Here's the one to remove it. And here is the one to add it back, like so. All right, so to apply this, all we need to do is double click on the Remove Ask Copilot registry file. Say yes to the UAC prompt, so you'll need to be an administrator to do this. And then this is just telling us that Windows will be adding the contents of this file to the registry, so we click yes, and then OK. So now we either need to restart the computer or restart Windows Explorer. So if you want to restart Windows Explorer, just right-click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, scroll down to Windows Explorer, right-click it, restart. See everything flash there for a second. All right, so now when we right-click our file, you can see the Ask Copilot is gone. All right, so if we want to add it back, just do the same thing with the Add Ask Copilot registry file. Restart Windows Explorer again, or restart the computer. And now it's back. Simple as that. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download these two registry files and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.